Britain charges Russian nationals Ruslan Bolsharov and Alexander Petrov with poisoning former Russian spy Sergei Skripal and his daughter in March. Japanese officials say at least 11 people are dead and hundreds injured after a powerful ocean storm. Typhoon Jebi also left thousands of passengers stuck at a main airport near Osaka. Heavy rains over the past few days bring flooding to northern India. And U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo meets leaders of Pakistan's newly elected government in Islamabad.